This is Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard.
We had a minor disaster in our home the other day. Our electric toothbrush died after many years of faithful service, so we had to buy a replacement, and what a shock. And just in case you haven't been out looking, an electric toothbrush can cost as much as $300 by the time you get it home. So how did something, and by something I'm referring here to the old-fashioned manual toothbrush that you could buy for $1 or $2, blossom up to $300, and is it worth it? Well, let's start with the important stuff. I wanted it to be Bluetooth compatible. Not that there was any specific reason for it, other than generally speaking, when something connects to your smartphone or has an app associated with it, it does good things. Like in the car, when we ordered all sorts of sensors on it, like a blind spot alert and a backup camera, over the objections of my wife, which we now both just love. So my thinking was that any toothbrush machine that we buy should last up to 10 years, of course replacing the actual brush as required. So when you amortize the cost over that period of time, putting a little extra into the purchase up front seems to make a lot of sense. The first thing we learned is that every electric toothbrush made is the best and is recommended by all dentists everywhere. Wow, that was a helpful statement. Next, we looked at the Bluetooth advantages and felt that they did offer a chance to do a better job at keeping the dentist and his drill out of my mouth. Our new toothbrush has an alert if you press it too hard against your teeth. He keeps track of how well you clean each part of your mouth, and it times you just to make sure that you put it in enough time. And oh, by the way, we bought it because it was on sale, and we could use reward points to pay for most of it. Reporting for Computer Insider, I'm Bob Pritchard.
You've been listening to Computer Insider, your daily technology fix with host Bob Pritchard. You can reach Bob by email at bob@computerinsider.org.